Hey guys, this one is Jingle All the Way. Here it is. Okay, so we start Jingle All the Way. We start with a shuffle or a walk. So for you guys, let's just start with a walk to be easier. So that's a hustle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue with a hook and a shuffle. Hook and shuffle. So that is out, in, shuffle. That's what you want to do with the hook. Okay. So from there, you're going to do 2 heels to the front, 2 heels, 2 toes to the back, and then a single, 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 single. Rocking chair or rocking horse, and a grind turn to your right shoulder, quarter turn. Yes? Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, walk, 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 back, back, back. Oh boy. Let's start again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and walk, 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 back, back, hook, out, in, shuffle, out, in, shuffle, heels, 2, and toes, and single, single, rocking horse, rock, and march, 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 and walk, 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 and back, back, hook, out, in, shuffle, out, in, shuffle, 2 heels, 2 toes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, rocking horse, and march, march, turn, turn, 1, 2, 3. Yes? There's a modification on the toes when you do that. 2 heels, 2 toes, we got 1, 2, 3, and 4, but we can change it to a hop. 2 heels, 2 toes, hop, hop, and stop. So it's 1 and 2 and stop. So right and left and right, and then your rocking horse. Okay? So let's try it with a hop. 5, 6, 7, walk, 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 back, back, hook, hook and shuffle, hook and shuffle. Here's the heels, 2 and 2, and hop, hop, and stop. Touch, up, march, march, turn, turn, walk, 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 back, back, hook, out, shuffle, heel, heel, and hop, 1 and 2, and stop. Rocking, rocket, march, march, turn, turn in there. Have fun.